I see Santa.
Who's coming?
Santa. Santa. Let me see Santa.
It's just a camera, Stefan.
Okay, I see
But
Santa.
maybe we can send some pictures to Santa. What would you like Santa to bring?
Bubblegum.
Bubble gum. What does Santa think about bubble gum?
Where's Santa Claus? I don't see him.
No, I don't either.
Santa Claus is going that door.
He's knocking on the door?
Yeah, we better get on the bed.
Yeah, you better get on the bed, Tiger. Go get on the bed, Tiger.
No. But Santa Claus, don't see him on the camera. Where is
No,
he?
Santa Claus asked me to take a picture of you.
Oh, where is he?
He's probably on the North Pole.
What is he doing, Stefan?
He's on camera.
No.
What? No, Santa Claus is not here.
Do you hear something?
No, he's here.
What was it?
Maybe. Oh, watch out for Santa. Watch out for Santa.
And what are you going to ask Santa Claus for?
Oh, watch out. He's killing. Okay.
And what are you going to do with the reindeers?
Pat them.
Pet them?
Yeah. We have little reindeers.
How many reindeers does he have?
Let me see. Let me see. Let's see at the Claus.
There is no Santa Claus, it's Mama Claus.
I'm singing the Claus.
Santa Claus is not here. I'm just documenting the
Santa Claus is coming. Santa
Really?
Claus. Watch out. You better watch out for Santa.
And what is he bringing you?
Do you have something to tell Santa Claus? You gonna say him hello?
Yeah. I'm gonna give him a hug.
You give him a hug?
Yeah.